world is made up of little tiny things called atoms. This is an atom. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons have a negative charge. Protons have a positive charge. For an atom to be balanced or neutral, there must be the same number of protons as there are electrons in the atom. In this atom, there are 2 protons, 1, 2, and 2 electrons, 1, 2. So this atom is balanced or neutral. Sometimes, when atoms are disturbed, like when 2 things rub together, the electrons jump to a nearby atom. If the movement of electrons causes another atom to be negatively charged, which means there are more electrons, and because the electrons are negative, when there are more electrons, it makes it negatively charged. So if it causes an atom, when they jump, if it causes it to be negatively charged, it's said to have static electricity. The electrons in the negatively charged atom are drawn to the protons in a positively charged atom. And so these electrons jump to the other atom to make it balanced, and they create a static electricity spark, like the spark that you see sometimes when you rub your feet on the carpet and then touch a doorknob, or when you get up from laying under a fleece blanket. Meet Miss Proton.
Hi, I'm Miss Proton. Do you know what I love? I love being positive. I think everybody should have the same thumbs up attitude that I have, because it just makes life so much more beautiful when you have a good attitude.
Meet Mr. Electron.
Hi, I'm Mr. Electron. I love being negative. I am negative all the time.
Miss Proton and Mr. Electron, do you guys think you could ever be friends?
I don't think so, because he's just so negative, and I like being positive, and maybe if he became more like me, then we could be friends.
I don't think I could ever get along with her. She is way too positive. Maybe if she was a little more negative.
Well, Miss Proton and Mr. Electron, the goal isn't to change one another, it's to balance each other out. So, maybe you should try coming together.
I suppose I could give it a shot.
Okay, that might work, maybe.
Hop to it. Watch as Dustin rubs a pen on his head. As he rubs this pen on his head, it's picking up a charge. The atoms rubbing together create an electrical imbalance. Now see what happens as he holds this pen near a stream of water. The atoms in the water have a different charge than the atoms in the pen, and they want to balance each other out. So the water is attracted to the pen that has been charged from rubbing against Dustin's hair. How neat is that?
Van der Graaf generator uses a spinning belt to carry a charge picked up from a brush at the bottom of a long tube to another brush at the top, where the charge is distributed onto a metal sphere. It's a simple machine, but can generate in excess of 100,000 volts.